7 LinkedIn algorithm hacks to explode your LinkedIn in 2025 and beyond. Look, I'm talking about this because these algorithm hacks are working now, will work in future, and will work forever. So these 7 hacks that I'm gonna tell you are evergreen actually. I'll be honest, I have been on LinkedIn for 8 years. I've grown more than 50,000 profiles. I have myself grown my profile to 1020k followers. I have grown my LinkedIn to multiple lakh of followers. Now with that, you have to understand that your keyword placement is very much important. You must have heard from various people that you have to have LinkedIn profile optimization. But tell me one thing, who actually tells you? How do you actually optimize your profile? Make sure you watch out this video because that will tell you exactly. Coming back to the point number 1, the first hack to grow your LinkedIn exponentially is right keyword placement. When it comes to optimization, it's all right, you put a lot of efforts, but keyword placement plays a big role. In headline, you have to make sure that your keywords are repeated at least 3 times. Your keywords must be repeated 5 times in your summary section. Your keywords must be repeated at least 2 times in your experience section. That's the right placement of your keywords. Then moving to the second algorithm hack I have got for you is inbox and conversation. Look, when you want to grow your LinkedIn exponentially, you have to make sure that you are having conversation with people. LinkedIn is meant to have a platform that has conversation. Doesn't matter personal or professional. Of course, you are there on LinkedIn for business, so it will be a professional one, but you must be active in your inbox because the people you're talking in your inbox are exactly those people will see your post because you are communicating with them, right? LinkedIn algorithm thinks that if you are interacting with them, these people are much likely to watch and read your. With that, I tell you the third hack of LinkedIn is having conversation in your comments. Now, this is again very important. LinkedIn came in front and said that if you are putting one word or one liner comment, we will not promote that post. So basically, if you are just commenting for the sake of commenting, then this is the bad idea and the worst idea, I'll say. Better you go ahead and create conversations. For that, you of course have to put some brain into it before writing your comment. And think, when you are writing comment, it is actually something that is putting yourself out there. Your profile is going with that comment, so you have to make sense, a lot of sense actually. And here is the fourth algorithm hack I have got for you, which I call headline hack. Your first 8 words of your headline makes a lot of sense. Even if it is Android or it's iOS, first 8 words, or I'll say, just to be concise even more, first 5 words are more visible to everybody. First 5 words needs to have conversation with your target audience directly. Make sure that you find something that is very, very interesting. For example, I have been using this hook line in my headline is 2x to 10x growth in 90 days. Simple. Very short words, numbers are there, growth transformation is there, and people want to see results. So I am exactly talking in that manner. And then the fifth is connection request receive rate. Now I know you must be sending a lot of requests, but acceptance rate is not that good. Make sure that you don't use any copy pasted templates, not even make one template. Just make sure that you are writing personal note, watching out their post and journey. And the sixth hack I have for you is use videos but mindful on your captions. If your video is around 60 seconds or more than 30 seconds, keep your caption short. If your videos are very short, less than 10 seconds, keep your captions quite long if it is relatable and you can add the context. Then the final hack I have for you to grow your LinkedIn exponentially is to grow 10x in your post views. And to do that, you have to follow this 3-step formula in your post. Have hook, rehook in the 3rd or 4th line of your post. Then make sure that you have last hook come CTA. So you have hook and also a CTA that mix up. That's how you actually get a post go viral. And just if you want to go viral, there are some 6 posts that I have made that have been went viral for my clients and for everybody. That's the video right here, you must check out. And with that, I complete this video and leave you with the good strategy. These 7 hacks have always been working with me. Make sure you watch out this video that has helped and transformed my LinkedIn journey actually. So watch that and meet me in the next one. Till then, bye bye.